That was an exit dive up there.
Ooh. Oh, I don't even know what she means by that. Ooh.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, screwbaroo.
But if it does have oxygen, that's a good bet.
That is a good bet.
You're a betting
yeah.
person.
No,
So,
stop!
I think the question also is what you cannot discover from this.
I'd rather not have my gear failing mid through hike. So the part I want to highlight here is the
stop.
says that their gear will last at least one through hike. I feel like I've heard
in the Adirondacks. In my opinion, it is the best time of year, and it's definitely the busiest time of year.
No, stop!
Almost a hit inning. And he's given up 1,800.
No, stop, Nissan drivers. No, stop, Nissan drivers. And yes, there is a stop sign there.
World AIDS Day. Thank God for AIDS. You won't repent of your rebellion that has brought his wrath on you in this incurable scourge. So expect more and
no,
more.
stop.
I was 23, and this was some of the early...
We cannot, with faithfulness to our constitutional system, hold that the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, first after another fall, then for 2 weeks with gastrointestinal troubles.
No, stop.
Late the afternoon
Pontiac.
of Tuesday, December 5th.
We're not going to give you the stream money. That's like, to me, it feels the same exact way.
Straight from the left turn lane.
No, I think it's
nice cutoff up there. Although he was exiting, I'll use it.
Remorse and even guilt. For if Gene has become a paralyzed soul, his looming presence in her life must somehow have contributed to this paralysis.
Red light run, red light run, red, you can go now, red light run.
The workman who's been helping on the field. He got hold of a
red light run, red light run, red light run. Really? Yeah, let's pretend that there's no one on the roadway at all. Port Authority. I mean, really. Really?
The sinners, not the sin. Something like that. Good lord. Yeah, so that's going on. He's all
no, stop. FedEx!
No, sir, you see. He's got his priorities intact. Oh my Jesus. And apparently, according to sources, they're swimming in inspiration.
No, stop! No, stop!
The siege of Jerusalem, which ultimately was called off, leaving Hezekiah to declare victory.
I thought you were going to... Red light run! That guy ran the red light run. I thought the Nissan driver ahead of me was going to, but he didn't. But the red truck definitely did. Oh well, sucks to be you here in the video. You got your own song. Yay!
Mark, you are a library of stories, anecdotes, information, just good stuff.
Now you decide to go around the guy. Here we go in everyone's favorite city of Utica. Let's see how many people can stop at the stop sign today. Someone stopped. Good. Good, we're learning. All right. And the blue Toyota turd doesn't. And we got yet another Toyota turd in front of me. Let's see what they do. Oh, they stop. Okay, I think we're making progress as a species. I really think we are. I am very, very optimistic about our future. I mean, of course, I'm going to stop right now because, and of course, there's a car coming too. Gee, I wonder why there's a stop sign there, you know? That did not stop. I think you have brain damage or something. I'm just saying. Left turn regret up there.
Any qualms like crushing creators whenever you feel like it?
No, stop.
Making people to the point that they have to like.
Found that for me, less is more when it comes to the proper pants and base layer insulation for winter.
Red light run.
You know,
Red light run. Red light run.
20.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.